create that India for which Prime Minister is dreaming. 2017, I remember a function at 6 o'clock, he delivered a speech in 2017 as Prime Minister of India at our party headquarters. He said, for a moment, imagine you are in 1942 and remember what happened in 1942? There was the Quit India movement, and 5 years from then, we achieved independence. So he said, imagine you are in 1942 and today is 2017. 5 years from now, it will be 2022. And we will get into 75 years of our independence. And I am dreaming for a new India to be delivered to 1.35 billion people. An India where I can restore back smile on everybody's face. I can ensure that everybody has adequate education and health and nutritional facilities for every child. I can take care of the dignity and the safety of the women and the elderly. And I can ensure that only two isms prevail in the country. One is humanism and another is nationalism. This is what he said at that speech. He gave a detailed version of what his dream was, and he wanted everyone to dream about that new India in his or her small way and blend his or her dream with his bigger dream so that we could have a new India in 2022. And ultimately, now you have seen he has given so much during even the COVID crisis. He has worked so hard for an Atmanirbhar Bharat. He has produced so many programs. Nobody could imagine. Everybody was talking about a shattered economy. 27 lakh crores worth of schemes, they have been started in this COVID year itself, announced. The finance minister took 7 days to talk about them in 7 subsequent press conferences. They were so huge. I know in health how much has been done and how much has been planned. And for everyone, and more particularly for the elderly people. So, we are in fact at the real threshold where we can ultimately restore that ancient glory of India. We can ultimately, from a new India to a Vishwa Guru Bharat, where the future of India is brighter than its already glorious past. That is where I think organizations like Age Care India have to play a major role. Dr. Karthikeyan, thank you so much for giving me the privilege of founding the two founders of our own profession, for whom we are all proud of. Namaskar, Jai Hind, Bharat Mata ki Jai.
Thank you, Dr. Harshvardhan, for those words of vision and encouragement. और मेरा ख्याल है कि हम ऐसे विजनरी के लिए आज हम सब यहाँ से एक संकल्प लेके जाएंगे और सब मेरे साथ हाथ खड़ा करके बोलेंगे कि आज के बाद वो सारे कोविड गाइडलाइंस, कोविड प्रिकॉशंस हम सब लेंगे एज ए कमिटमेंट टू आवर हेल्थ मिनिस्टर. Do you all agree with that, sir? Yes. Let us raise our hand and we commit to follow all COVID guidelines. Sir, that is our promise to you, sir, and a promise by Age Care India. And I think it is encouraging that he is setting the tone for the work of Age Care India to be associated with all this work. Honorable Minister, sir, we have coined a slogan for all our elders, and we say कि हमारे साथ बोलो मेरा स्वास्थ्य मेरे हाथ. That is what we say. So सब बोलेंगे मेरा स्वास्थ्य मेरे हाथ, मेरा स्वास्थ्य मेरे हाथ. Thank you. I now request Mr. Sandeep Goyal ji to hand over a memento to Dr. Karthikeyan, our President, to hand over to our Chief Guest. I now invite the Senior Vice President, Mr. Prem Singh Dhingra, to please extend the formal vote of thanks.
Vote of thanks means closing ceremony. Time passes fast if the time is good. Everything reaches to its end and we are also approaching to a happy end. It is the rarest of rare privilege for me to have been given this opportunity of delivering a vote of thanks for this magnanimous event where I see the Honorable Health Minister of India as the chief guest. I, on behalf of Padma Shri Dr. D.R. Karthikeyan, President of ACI, Organizing Committee, Office Bearer, Governing Council members, each present here aged care members, and on my behalf present a bouquet of hearty gratitude to the Honorable Health Minister of India, Dr. Harsh Vardhan. You have heard him about the corona, about the COVID-19 disease. It is, if India today is in a better position in the entire world of lesser affected by epidemic, then Dr. Harsh Vardhan's name is on the top for his planning and for his strategy in controlling this epidemic. May I request everyone to applaud for him from this house for a big applause. I honor the most senior citizen awardee Padma Shri Professor Dr. J.S. Guleria and his son Padma Shri Professor Randeep Guleria, Director AIIMS Delhi, and the other most senior citizen awardee Dr. G.P. Seth and his son Padma Shri Padma Bhushan Dr. Ashok Seth, Chairman and cardiologist in Fortis Escort Delhi, for their vital time in making this event purposeful and an event to be remembered for years. We are all enriched by the words of knowledge and wisdom by illustrious dignitaries here. I am proud to say that Dr. G.P. Seth mentioned about the Rotary work in India and in all over the world. I am a Rotarian. This year I am the Assistant Governor in Rotary District 3011. Dr. Harsh Vardhan also mentioned about the polio. Rotary is the main cause for removing that disease from this entire world. I am grateful to our 90 plus senior citizens, Shri Ved Prakash, Shri Manohar Lal Chawla, Shri Ratan Lal and Shri B.R. Bhandari for gracing this situation on this occasion, and they are here. No event of such magnitude can be of its glory unless and until it is rightly covered by the press and media. I see many big houses present here covering this mega event. This is a pride for Age Care India. I, on behalf of this organization, thank them all for sparing time for us. Further, I would like to add in the list of thanks recipients Dr. G.S. Krewal, the organizing committee head, Shri Sandeep Goel, and their whole team, and most of all, our dear President, Dr. D.R. Karthikeyan, who discussed each and every details of this event with us. I also thank each member of the association who took time on a yearly Sunday in adding luster to this event. The role of hosting house is a very important chain in making any event a glorious and a different than the normal one. Our heartfelt gratitude to the India International Center and all of its officials who are always available for any help needed in making the whole environment full of positive energy and beautiful. Thank you